Hey, and welcome to today's episode of Make It Your Own Design Academy. My name is Cynthia Kita, and I'm your brand strategist, designer, and educator here at the Design Pharmacy. Now, today's episode is going to be a little bit different. I actually wanted to take some time and just talk to you guys about our brand new Canva templates that have hit our website. So, you guys know we have, I think we're on episode, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's episode 25 of Make It Your Own Design Academy, and it's all about showing you how to make templates your own. And it is only fitting that we also put out our very own Canva templates for you guys to customize and tweak so that they can fit with your personal brands, because we're not doing the cookie cutter thing over here. So I wanted to show you guys on our website, if you visit thedesignpharmacy.com and just click on Canva templates, it'll bring you to this page where you can see some of the templates that we've put out. So you'll see TEMPLANOL, which is our template line. It's called TEMPLANOL, kind of similar to medicine Tylenol, right? But specifically for your templates. So if you don't know too much about our brand, the Design Pharmacy, it is a firm, but technically a business pharmacy. And so part of our brand includes us creating products that would be on a shelf in a pharmacy, right? And so that's why when you see our templates or our TEMPLANOL line, you'll see that it's in a box, a box that can be hung on a shelf or in an aisle like you would see it at the store. So you just kind of pick it up virtually, right? So that's the idea behind TEMPLANOL. Right now, as this video goes out, we have two specific TEMPLANOL packages available. So we have the Gallery Promo Canva template, and then we have the Luxe Coach Canva template, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And then in addition, we still have our brand style guides, which are available for you to clarify the components of your brand and the assets that you have, so that if you're hiring someone, if you're building a team, they can all use that same guide to make sure that your visual assets all look the same or have the same feel, the same style, so on and so forth. So I've done videos on that. You can watch them on my YouTube channel, but you could also check them out here as well. So actually, before I move on, these brand style guide templates are editable on Canva. And in order to access them, you do need Canva Pro now. And I do have an affiliate link for Canva Pro where you can access it for 30 days for free. So you can go ahead and tap into that. I would appreciate it if you use our affiliate code. So let's get into TEMPLANOL. So again, we have the Gallery Promo, which is designed to help you say what you do without saying too much. So in the background of it, you'll see a bit of a gallery that you can swap in, whether you do visual work or maybe you speak. You can put your photos in the background, and then there's a search bar for you to put in what someone would type to find you, or to specify what you do in just a one-liner. But then you can also add at the bottom your logo or even your photo. The options vary, but it does give you the opportunity to say a lot without saying too much and without overwhelming the eye gate of your audience. And so I'll show you that, and then I'm going to show you the Luxe Coach Canva template, which, like it says, Luxe Coach. It gives you the opportunity to, share your content in a very luxurious, confident style that we've created for you. So let's look at Gallery Promo first. So here we go. So we have Gallery Promo. Please note that the pricing that you see here can change at any time. And so we are not required to deliver you the specific rate if you catch it at a different time and it's been changed. So please keep note of that. So as you can see here, you get a little bit of a preview of what's in, the package by just hovering your mouse over it. So you can see vaguely, but you can also preview the template by clicking here. And so this particular template comes with 9 templates, and you can see that on the box as well. You'll see the 9 templates here, and it also tells you it's the Instagram post size, the ad size, so 1080 by 1350, which is also here in the description. And so you can preview the template here. And what it's gonna do is gonna bring you over to Canva. I think you can see it even if you don't have Canva right away, if I'm not mistaken, but you could just hit the arrows and it's going to show you all the templates that are in the pack. So this gives you a clearer view rather than me trying to put 10,000 photos of all the templates that are available there. So that's the purpose of the preview the template here portion. And so you can see the description here, say more with less, let your brand speak for itself. First impressions matter, and this one speaks clarity, confidence, and credibility. The gallery promo template is your go-to layout when you want your audience to know exactly what you do without overwhelming them with too much text. So featuring a sleek gallery style design, a strategic overlay, and a clean search bar effect, this template helps you define your expertise with precision, all while keeping your aesthetic bold and elevated. So, as I mentioned, you do need Canva Pro in order to access this template. And because of its digital nature, because you get it right away, there's no returns or refunds with this particular item. And then we also have our commercial license agreement, so you can go through that and you can use it for your business. You can use it personally as well. And so if you have any questions about the licensing, feel free to reach out to us via email. Now let's take a look at the Luxe Coach Canva template. So here we have our Luxe Coach Canva template. Now this specific template comes with 12 of your Instagram post templates, the 1080 by 1350, and then 12 of your Instagram reel or story templates, which are the 1080 by 1920. And so if you hover your mouse over it, you get an idea of what these templates are going to look like here. And you can even look at the box too. It says 12 templates. It has the sizing there, the reel, story, and then the Instagram post. And then if you want to go in depth and see the exact template that you'll be purchasing, you go ahead and click that link. And then again, use your arrow, or you can click over to see what it looks like. So here you have it. This is what is within the template. And then now you see the story version, which is right after, just so you don't have to change that up yourself. So these are some really, really cute, luxurious looking templates, and I hope you enjoy them. Feel free to purchase them using the link down below, or again, you can visit thedesignpharmacy.com. And I also let you know that those particular photos are from Unsplash by Look Studio. So if you want those specific photos, you can go ahead and check out Unsplash. But yeah, that's what we have. I'm just gonna go back to the Canva templates page. So again, we've just started out with these 2 templates, our TEMPLANOL line, and you also have the access to the brand style guides, which are available for you as well. So tell a friend to tell a friend, and please tag me in your graphics. I would love to see what you do with these templates and how you change them up to fit your particular business. So I hope you enjoyed this short little episode. I will catch you all in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.